I could have probably been a psychiatrist. I think most Indian companies don't respect recruiters so much. Recruiters can't even dream of having a seat at the table, especially when they are ICs and not even a leader. A lot of candidates have this crazy amount of trust with. This is a tough one because it every time I think of this one, this has been one of the biggest regrets. Recruiters that they have had a relationship with, so much so that if I today call someone and tell them, hey, I have a job for you, would you be interested, they won't care so much whether about it's like replying or a Revolut or a page. As long as Saqib is calling them, they will be keen because Saqib has worked with them for the last 7 years. When I joined, was close to around 50ish people, and today in like close to a year, 15 months of like working with them, we are at around 450 odd folks just in the customer support org. There came a point where we had to hire like more than 50 people every like sort of 2 months, so like roughly around 25 to 30 people every month. At least one hire every day. To give you like just one insight on the number, we've probably looked at more than 1,000 account executives from India's B2B SaaS ecosystem or other tech ecosystem overall in order to pick and choose the 40 that we wanted to hire over the last 1 year. So like it's the talent bar is that high. Recruiters' jobs are going to get a lot more strategic, I feel. There's going to be much fewer recruiters, that are going to do very, very specific key level hiring is what, my belief is. One, you're already seeing a lot of companies going very lean. And with that, the need for an in-house recruiter or even having a team of recruiters itself will go down drastically.
If you want to hedge, your hedge should be things that technology cannot do, right? I mean, even if you have a model that is an LLM model that's 10x as powerful, exactly what you said, right? If you have connections, if you have good relationships, however good AI becomes, I think that will not be replaced. All right, so this is what is one mishire that taught you the most as a recruiter, without naming names?